What if I told you I found a tool that can generate 100 plus videos completely free with just one click? No credit card, no limits, and no watermark. Sounds fake, right? Honestly, I didn't believe it myself at first, but when I tested it and followed the full process step by step, that's when it hit me. This actually works. With this method, you don't have to sit for hours doing manual work. You simply paste one prompt and the system automatically generates complete videos with multiple shots, all on autopilot. Now listen carefully. This isn't just a random demo. In this video, we're going to use this exact automation to clone an already viral channel, and by the end of this video, you'll have a fully ready, upload-worthy short in your hands. This channel uploads story-based content in English and makes up to $40,000 every single month. And content in this exact same format is also blowing up hard on YouTube Shorts and Instagram Reels. So now, let's break down how we can use this AI automation workflow to bulk create YouTube Shorts. But before we do that, we need to set up the tool properly. I'll be honest, this part can feel a little tricky at first. So pay close attention and follow each step exactly the way I do it, without skipping anything. Once the setup is done, everything after that becomes fast, smooth, and almost fully automated. To set up the tool, the very first thing you need to do is go to Google and search for Auto-Meta Chrome extension. Open the first link that appears. You'll see a logo like this. From here, click Add to Chrome, then confirm by clicking Add Extension. Once the extension is installed, click on it, and a window like this will open. Now, click on Go to Meta AI. One important thing to note here, you cannot create a Meta AI account using a normal email ID. You must log in using your personal Instagram or Facebook account. After logging in, you'll see a setup screen like this. Here, you'll get two different options. One option lets you generate videos from images, and the second option lets you generate videos from text. For this method, I'll be using the text-to-video option to generate our videos. Now our first step is complete, and the entire setup is ready. I already told you earlier that we're going to create this exact type of story-based videos. And for that, we'll generate the stories ourselves, so the storytelling feels powerful, original, and unique. Now, let me show you a smart and unique method for that. First, head over to ChatGPT. Once you're there, click on Explore GPTs. Inside the search box, type Free AI Story Generators and hit Search. The very first result you'll see, click on that. Now, click on Start Chat. This is a custom GPT, specifically trained to write highly engaging stories. Here's all you need to do. Type something like, write a short English story about an eagle, or any character you want to use. Then click Generate. Using this, you can generate stories based on any theme. Moral stories, emotional stories, motivational stories, or any concept you want. Now look, your entire story is generated. While staying in the same chat, copy the full story. Then paste it again, and right after that, generate line-by-line prompts to create videos in a 3D Pixar style. If any line is too long, split it into 2 prompts. This will help with animating the story more smoothly. You can also mention the aspect ratio here if you want. Now, click Generate, and you'll notice something important. The tool creates exactly the kind of prompts we asked for. Wherever the storyline is long, it automatically gives 2 or even 3 prompts, making animation much easier. Once all the prompts are generated, stay in the same chat again and type one final instruction. Arrange all prompts in story sequence and give them to me in a TXT file. This step is extremely important. Only when the prompts are organized properly in a TXT file, we can generate videos in bulk without errors. So, if you're enjoying this video so far and actually learning something new, make sure to hit that subscribe button right now, because coming up next, I'm going to show you something that's usually locked behind paid tools. But I'll be breaking it down using a completely free method. Now look, at this point, we only have prompts, not the actual storylines anymore. That's perfect. Select all the prompts at once and copy them. Now, click on the extension icon and open Auto-Meta. If you've already logged in, you'll see an interface like this. Inside the prompt box, paste all the prompts together in one go. Then click Start. What happens next is fully automatic. The tool will generate 4 videos for each prompt. Once a video is generated, it will automatically download it, then move on to the next prompt and repeat the process. This means you only paste the prompts one single time, and the tool generates all video clips for the entire story automatically. That's how you turn one story into multiple video clips at scale, without manual work. Now, while the videos are generating, let's quickly generate the voiceover as well. I already told you we're doing everything completely free. So for audio, I'm going to use a free and unlimited AI voice generator where there are no credits and no limits at all. First, go to Google and search for Google AI Studio. Click on the Google AI Studio link and open the site. Once the site opens, go to Home, then click on Turn Text into Audio. You'll see an interface like this. First, you will see multi-speaker audio is selected. If it is, switch it to single speaker audio. Now from here, under Voice, click here, and you'll see multiple voice options. You can test them one by one. No matter which character you select, you can generate the voice in any language. After selecting your character, go back to ChatGPT and copy your entire story. Since this is a short story, we'll copy it all at once. Now, paste the story into this text box. The best part about this tool is that there are no limitations of any kind. Click Run to generate the audio. Within a few moments, your voiceover will be ready. By now, your Meta AI videos will also be finished generating. Meta AI have already created all the video clips for every prompt. Now we only have one final task left, matching the video clips with the voiceover. There is a smart way to do this in one single click, where all videos automatically sync with the voice. This feature is still pretty new, so it needs a little optimization. That's why I'll show you both methods, manual and automatic. I've only seen this feature available inside CapCut, so go ahead and open CapCut. Right on the home page, you'll see an option called AI Video Maker. Open that. Inside, you'll find a feature called Match Media to Script in one click. Click on it. Now you'll see two boxes. In the first box, upload all the video clips that we generated earlier. Once the videos are uploaded, click on Enter Script. After that, select your voice and then simply click Generate. CapCut will automatically match the videos with the voiceover based on the script. But I'm not going to click Generate here. And the reason is simple. The voice we created earlier can't be added here. This feature only works with CapCut's built-in voices. On top of that, the auto-arrange feature isn't fully reliable yet. It works sometimes, but it's not consistent. So instead, we'll do manual editing. And don't worry, manual here is manual in name only. In reality, this is a 10-minute job, max. Now come back to the CapCut homepage and create a new project. From here, import all the videos and the voiceover we've generated so far. First, drag your voiceover onto the timeline. If you need to trim or cut anything in the voice, you can do that here. Now, play the voice slowly and place the video clips on the timeline and story sequence, matching them with the narration. That's it. This simple process gives you full control, better accuracy, and a perfectly synced final video without relying on unstable automation. If anything feels confusing here, you can always go back to Meta AI and check which videos were generated first. Since we generated all the clips in sequence, it's easy to match them back correctly. Alright, let me quickly arrange all my videos according to the voiceover. Now my entire video is perfectly synced with the narration. Next, we'll optimize it a bit by adding effects and captions. First, click on Captions, select your language, then click Generate. Once the captions are generated, click on Text, then go to Templates. You'll see a lot of different caption styles here. Choose the one that looks best to you. The best part is, it gets applied to all captions at once. Now click on Effects. Go to Categories, select Sparkle or Texture. Pick any effect you like, drag it onto the timeline, and stretch it all the way to the end. If you want to make the video even more engaging, go to Transitions and add transitions between each clip. Once you're happy with the edit, click on Export and export your video. Now let's take a look at what we just created.
High above a quiet valley, an old eagle named Aaron rode the morning wind. His wings were scarred from storms and seasons, but they still carried him with steady grace. Below him, rivers curved like silver threads, and forests breathed in shades of green.
In just a few minutes, we've created a highly engaging short-form video. And the best part? We didn't spend a single dollar. Using only free tools and free resources, we've built an automation workflow that allows us to create unlimited shorts whenever we want. This exact secret strategy has already helped many creators grow multiple channels and make serious money. And using this same method, you can replicate almost any faceless channel out there. My advice is simple. Before any limits or restrictions come in, try this method right now. You don't need to buy any subscription. Find a channel you like, use this workflow to create similar videos, and upload consistently for at least 1 month. If you like this method and actually learn something valuable, make sure to comment below and let me know. And by the way, in my previous video, I explained 5 more AI video generators that are also 100% free, so make sure to check that video out as well. I'll see you in the next one.